Welcome to Armament Farm. Today I'm going to show you how we build our all steel target stands, how we build one, why we build them the way we do, and then we're going to shoot one. Stay tuned. Before I show you that one, this was version 1. I only put one target on it. This one's way out at 900 yards. We built it out of scrap and it was way too short. So we had to flip that target upside down just to be able to see it from the shooting deck. Couldn't hang it from chains, had to put it straight on the bolts. Worked alright, but I like the fact with the new ones, you can have a target on either side, different sizes, more of a challenge. Then we went to version 2, which looks a little something like this. Same principle, but this time I was going to make it adjustable. Used another trailer receiver so we could make the height adjustable, but that was more work than it was worth. More material, more drilling, more cutting. So we abandoned that idea pretty quick. I'll show you what this new one looks like. This pasture's black. We were burning this the other day, getting ready for spring. We'll have cows in here in the next couple months, trying to get it ready for them. So this is the latest one. Looks pretty good. It looks a little tall, but actually we're out at 500 yards right here. With the terrain you can't really tell, but back there on the shooting deck you'd barely be able to see this target if it was any lower than this. Probably have some kind of berm behind it, but that hill behind is actually pretty big. So I think it's pretty safe. We put these 12-inch receiver hitch, $12 from Harbor Freight. Put those in concrete, keep them flush to the ground. When we have cows in here, if we need a bush hog, we can pull this entire thing straight out of the ground. Throw it in the back of the Ranger, bush hog, graze the pasture, do whatever we need to do. When we're done, come back, throw this target back in. We got some rubber caps that we use, and when we pull these targets out, we can cap these, stop the dirt and whatever else getting in there and plugging it up. I'm a little worried about being able to find them when we take them out, but I think we'll figure it out eventually. This whole thing probably cost about 75 bucks a piece, not including the targets. The 2x2 square tubing is about $60 for a 10-foot pipe. We got 6 foot on the vertical, and got a foot in the ground, gives you 5 feet of height, 4 foot for the top horizontal bar. A couple dollars worth of grade 8 bolts from Tractor Supply, just welded on there. $12 for the receiver hitch, plus a couple targets. It's not cheap, but I like it. Semi-permanent. Only known distances, it's the only downside, but I guess you could put some receiver hitches a bunch of different places, but right now it'll work just fine. Let's go shoot it. So I think on the next one I'll probably put these bolts on the back side here. 2 reasons: that brings the weight over the center, probably make it a little bit more stable, and also it'll stop those bolts getting shot, because I can guarantee I'm going to shoot every single one of them. We'll know for next time. Alright, right here on the rifle deck, got the Ruger Precision Rifle 6.5 Creedmoor. Gonna be shooting some Hornaday 6.5 140 grain ELD match. Got another camera out of the target. Got a pretty brisk wind, about 20 miles an hour, but it's pretty much head on, so we shouldn't have a problem. Let's see what we can do. Probably hear that wind. It is windy out here. But target held up. We'll go take a look at it, see where we were hitting, figure it out. Alright, we're down here at the targets again. I was definitely shooting low and to the right. I think that wind, I was holding right edge, this wind's blowing right to left. Struggling to hit this one. I was definitely shooting this low. Those misses went through here somewhere, low and to the right. But groupings aren't great. We're going to blame the wind today. Might not have that excuse next time, but that's what I'm using today. Well, if you hung around this long, thanks for watching. Let me know if there's anything else you guys want to see. Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you next time.